Astronaut Sunitha Williams has been in the news recently. News reports stated that she's stuck in space and her health is in danger. But the reality is she's perfectly alright and she's in the International Space Station. She will return to Earth safely after a few days.
Hi everyone, this is India Rocket Girl and today I'll be talking about Sunitha Williams' recent space expedition. Before starting the story, let me give the context. There is a space station going around the Earth which is called the International Space Station. It is a lab for exploring the space. Astronauts have been staying on the ISS since the year 2000. They conduct a lot of experiments in microgravity, like how plants grow in space. What will happen to humans if they stay in space for a long time? The space station is the size of a football ground and is at an altitude of 400 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. It revolves around the Earth with a velocity of 28,000 kilometers per hour. So, the International Space Station makes one round of Earth in approximately 90 minutes. To take humans to the International Space Station, right now there are 3 spaceships. First one is Soyuz spacecraft. Second one is SpaceX Dragon spacecraft. And the third is Boeing Starliner spacecraft. Soyuz and Dragon spacecrafts have already made many successful missions by taking humans to the International Space Station and bringing them safely back to Earth. As part of the Commercial Crew Program, NASA has selected Starliner to take humans to the International Space Station. After many delays, the first crew program from Boeing Starliner was on 5th June 2024. Boeing has chosen 2 veteran NASA astronauts, Sunitha Williams and Butch Wilmore, for the first crewed flight to International Space Station. This crew was launched from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida on Atlas V rocket on June 5th. They reached the International Space Station on June 6th.
As a part of Expedition 71, currently there are 7 astronauts staying in the International Space Station for conducting experiments. They welcome the Starliner crew. The actual mission was planned for 8 days. After docking the Starliner to International Space Station, the Starliner spacecraft encountered multiple helium leaks in few of its thrusters. The Starliner can still undock and fly under emergency conditions. But Boeing wants to understand the root cause for the helium leak. For this, Boeing and NASA are conducting ground tests in New Mexico to understand the thruster malfunctions. After testing and finding the root cause, the crew will undock and return home. For this, they have extended the mission duration from 8 days to 45 days. Now, Sunitha Williams and Butch Wilmore will stay and continue conducting experiments in the International Space Station. In the worst case scenario, if the Starliner spacecraft doesn't help in bringing back the astronauts, then the crew can still use SpaceX Dragon spacecraft to return to Earth. So there's no problem for their safe landing on Earth. There are scenarios where astronauts have stayed for more than a year in the International Space Station. Sunitha Williams has spent 322 days in her past 2 expeditions in International Space Station. Given this, the astronauts are well equipped to stay for more days in the International Space Station. They won't face health issues as exaggerated by the news agencies. Summary: Sunitha Williams has gone to the International Space Station through Boeing Starliner spacecraft. After docking, there were helium leaks in the Starliner's thrusters. Due to this, the mission has been extended and now she is in the International Space Station. She has visited the ISS twice before. She won't face health issues for staying in the ISS. She'll return safely to Earth using either the Starliner or SpaceX Dragon spacecraft. This is India Rocket Girl congratulating Sunitha Williams for being a part of maiden flight of Boeing's Starliner spacecraft.